Hi, and welcome to Plated 2021. Today we're doing steak bites. Steak bites are very easy to make. There's about 5-minute prep time and about 15-minute cook time at the most, and you're ready to serve. The ingredients are very simple. Obviously, you're going to have a steak. Today we're using a ribeye steak, but you can certainly use a tenderloin, a New York strip, or any steak that you think that would go with this, but we're gonna stick with the ribeye today. So, along with the ribeye, there's only a few other ingredients. Obviously, we're gonna be using butter and garlic, parsley, we got salt and pepper to taste, and we got our special steak seasoning sauce, whatever you like though. And we're gonna use a combination of oils. We're gonna use some olive oil and some ghee, which is just clarified butter. So we're gonna get this nice, buttery, crisped up steak bites for everybody to enjoy. We want you to make sure that you give us a thumbs up and leave a comment, short or long, and let us know what you'd like to see in the future. So let's get started. We're ready to go. Let's go. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and we ended up with a ribeye steak, and that was the cut that we used. But again, you can use a tenderloin, you can use a sirloin, you can use a New York strip steak. We used a ribeye. It has a little bit of marbling in this one. You don't want a whole bunch of fat or anything like that, but we're gonna trim it a little bit and then cut it into bites right now. So let's get started.
Ryan Little.
Japan.
just like a practice run. You should try it as well. I'm gonna give it a go and see how it tastes. I got a little blue cheese crumbles over here. It's like steakhouse style. And we're just gonna go ahead and dip it in a little oil from the butter, the olive oil, parsley, garlic, and just pick a piece there. Very tender, very juicy. It's crisp on the outside. Give it a go. Give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching Play It.